Greetings, everyone. I'm the Flying Twinkie. Welcome to another video on my channel about coins and precious metals. Today's video is a very festive unboxing from APMEX. But first, if you enjoy videos just like this one about coins and precious metals, then please take a moment to subscribe to my channel and ring the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I post a new video or host a live stream. Thanks for watching. Well, APMEX have stepped up their packaging game for the holidays, and inside of the plain brown box was this very holiday themed red box. And inside of this red box is some silver for which I have been waiting for a very long time. Several weeks, months, at least several months. Anyways, thanks for the holiday cheer, APMEX. Let's take a look at what's in the box. So there was a lot of hype over these coins, or more accurately, rounds. And admittedly, I got swept up in the hype just a little bit and decided to buy some for myself. Yep, I placed this order back in September 21st, and it is now the middle of December. So almost 3 months I waited for these. And these are the Fafnir Dragon silver rounds from the Germania Mint. I was on the fence about buying these when I saw them first come out, because I had been already collecting the Lady Germania series, and these Germania Mint rounds have quite a high premium, so I was hesitant to get into another series that I would have to collect, but I am very happy to have picked this up because it is incredibly nice looking. It does have a high relief finish, or at least the appearance of one. Now these are designed in such a way that if you place two of them next to each other, then you get to see the entire dragon, because as it is, on the obverse of the coin is the head end of the dragon, and on the reverse of the coin is the tail end. But if you hold them together like this, you can see how they connect and create the entire dragon. Pretty cool, huh? So let's take a quick look at the COA from the Germania Mint. This is 1 ounce of silver in BU, and here we are. The fictional 5 mark face value, released in 2020, 4/9 fine silver, 1 ounce BU, 25,000 pieces minted. So they're very nice. And I did decide also to pick up some special capsules for these, and I alluded to this in a prior video because the capsules have come from Bold Precious Metals. I happened to be placing another order with them, so decided to throw these in so I didn't have to pay extra for shipping. But this is a dual capsule, and this is going to allow me to display these coins next to each other just like that, so you'll be able to see the entire dragon all together. That is a sharp looking dragon silver round. By the way, the Germania Mint put out some very nice pieces in general, and I tend to only stack sovereign-backed bullion. I'm not a big fan of generic rounds, and it's not because there's anything wrong with generic rounds, but I do like having the weight of a sovereign mint behind the silver I stack. But the Germania Mint make nice enough pieces that I'm willing to make an exception. And also, I'm willing to pay a very high premium to get some of these silver rounds into my collection. So, let me know what you think of the Fafnir Dragon Coin, or more accurately, Dragon Round from the Germania Mint. Did you pick any of these up? They have some colorized versions that have an even lower mintage that go for upwards of $500 or more. A little too rich for my blood, but these were a good compromise and allowed me to get this series without spending hundreds and hundreds of dollars. So let me know what you think in the comments below. Let me know if you are also collecting any silver rounds from the Germania Mint. And if you enjoyed the video, please like it by giving it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe if you have not done so already. I do appreciate your support, and I love hearing from each and every one of you. Alright, that's it for today's video. Until next time, that's me. I'm the Flying Twinkie.